Meaning of foundation course.
Foundation course.
Foundation course.
Foundation course.
Foundation course. A foundation course is an introductory program that provides essential knowledge and skills to prepare students for higher education or specific careers. It helps students to build a strong academic background and creates a solid foundation for future studies. These courses can cover a wide range of subjects, such as math, science, languages, or humanities. The results of a foundation course can vary depending on the institution and the program, but they typically include improved academic performance, increased confidence, and a better understanding of the chosen field of study.